808 Bentana.
You got mail. Mail.
All right, y'all. Back on the road. Another video for y'all, man. My seatbelt, I ain't gonna keep going off until I put my seatbelt on. But man, we finna go catch some bass. Hopefully. We get some good fish on this video. Gotta get out here. Man, got late. I was supposed to leave around like 3, but I ended up having to wait until the wife got back from the store. So I got less than an hour to fish, so hopefully I can get out here and snag one, quick, and then be able to, get a little vlog going. Where I'm headed to, I'm on the road. Gotta watch out for this truck right here. What this guy doing? Dragging some stuff. So we just headed on the road. Stop by my little fishing spot. I already flew the drone, got the B-roll, and this truck is stopping way too soon. Y'all, we done made it to the location. We about to get everything situated. Got my backpack. Y'all can see it. Backpack in hand. All the useful baits that I use whenever I fish. Finna get out here and get it, man. Y'all know how we do. Gotta grab my tripod. And that should be it from there. I'm gonna leave everything else in the bag, so we're gonna get this set up on the tripod. Let's get this set up real quick. Boom. Alright, we in the dough now. Tripod set up, got my knife, got my pliers, and now we got the poles out. Brought 3 poles this time. I was gonna bring 2, but we're gonna bring 3 this time. Y'all can see we got. Let's go ahead and set this tripod up here. I don't know which side I want to fish on because last time I didn't catch nothing on this left side, but fish do move, and that was whenever it was real cold. So we either gonna probably fish the left side and then work our way around, or we head straight to the normal side I always fish on. So I think I'm gonna go up here real quick, just for a little bit, and if I get a few casts with what I got on now and nothing bite, then we gonna head straight to the spot what we caught the other ones at last time. So sun, I got about an hour left for sun, hour and a half. Depends on how late I want to stay out here. I do got the GoPro strapped to the chest, and on that GoPro it got the light, so the light really charged and it's bright, so I can really see at night. But we got some snakes out here, man. I'm country, but I ain't a fan of snakes, and I ain't trying to get bit, so I'm finna get up here, get about 30 casts. I try to use all these baits. Depend on if we get a bite or not, but hopefully we do, man, and we're gonna get it done, man. The bait we did last time, which is this one, we caught the one off of it. We're gonna fish with this worm right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. We're gonna fish with this worm, and then we're gonna try some other baits. So it looked like the algae and grass came back. I know last time I came out here it was all gone, like somebody cleaned it out, but that's a good sign, man. Maybe we catch a fish off that right off back. So we're finna test that out. Texas rig. Now, y'all see I got the green pole, man. I recommend y'all go get this one, man. This is a badass reel. I love it for like 120 bucks, man. And let's get it, baby. This reel just throws so smooth, man. Good luck last time I was here. So there we go. see it, man. Hell yeah. And it's active too. Let's go. That one almost got off right there. See it on the GoPro? At the camera. Y'all see what we caught it off of once again. Gotta love it, man. We out here fishing in BAYTOWN, Texas. Fishing with this worm right here. Make sure we still got recording going. Okay. Everything nice and bright. Fishing in BAYTOWN, man. Y'all see what's going on. Nice catch. Nice bass. Y'all see it. Worm, I caught one off last time, and we're gonna continue to throw this. Let me hurry up and get this battery changed out, man. Let's keep going, man. See how many we can catch. Throw another bait on real quick. On my I don't know if I want to put it on my other pole. Let's see what we got in here. A bunch of worms, red hooks, another rage tail. Then we'll go from there. So we're gonna have that set up Texas rig for the next challenge. We're gonna grab this one real quick.
Bam.
So we're gonna try this little fish bait right here. On the new pole, set the drag, make sure it don't backlash on me. Let's get out there and check it out.
Bam.
Out pretty good, didn't it? Wow. I didn't even realize I had it on there, y'all. I was just reeling. I thought I was hung up, man. I didn't even realize I had it on there. That's crazy. Let me get this set up real quick. We gotta bring this out so we don't get the bass thumb. Can't have the bass thumb while I'm making beats tonight, but let's get this hooked up. All right, now bass. Got them hooked up. That was quick. That was pretty quick, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Got the fish on. Use my pliers so we don't get the bass thumb like I just mentioned. Let's get them off real quick. I think they like this kind of bait. I never really fished with this one out here, or these type of baits out here. But you might have to try this one again. Yeah, you on there, my guy. You ain't going nowhere no time soon, my boy. All that wiggling. Another one. This one probably the same size as the last one I just caught, y'all. Y'all saw the bait that we caught it off of, which is the. I don't think this one dived no more than 1.5 feet, 2 to 3 feet, and I just was reeling real slow, so it didn't go too deep. But this is what we caught it off of out here, man. Y'all can see. GoPro good. Gonna throw that one on again. I'm gonna try that worm before it get too dark. Hopefully y'all can see it good on the camera. Yeah. Gonna open this up a little more, man, so we can have some good quality. Look at that. Y'all see that fish, baby? So we can have some good quality footage for whenever we upload to the YouTube channel. Once again, if y'all new, make sure y'all smash that subscribe button, man. Help your boy. We on the road to 500, man. I'm gonna say 500 subscribers. I would say 200, but we're gonna get there pretty quick soon. I can believe in it. But if you watching this video, man, make sure you smash the subscribe button. I'm finna get some pictures real quick so I can post. And now we just going there. Get a video for the. I don't usually post shorts on my YouTube channel. So, yerp, out here in BAYTOWN, Texas, man. Got the camera gear back there set up, man. Y'all see what's
Man.
going on. Got another fish, another bass, nice size. We out here with the GoPro. More videos on the way. LFG fishing hat, LFG merch in the description at the bottom. Make sure I go check that out. We're here in BAYTOWN, Texas, fishing right now. And we just caught one on first cast, man. So let's get it. Appreciate that. All right, y'all. We up here trying out the frog right now. It's a frog we got on there. I'm gonna try this frog out, and then
I'm gonna try the worm.
what's that? We're gonna put this. We're gonna take the worm off of this one and put this other bait on, y'all. Take the worm off this one. And we got another top water bait that we're gonna use since it's getting dark right now. Use that bait, which is not the black one, but this one right here.
The frog one.
Not the frog one. We already used the frog. This one got it's either one. I don't know which one to use. Which one should we use? Which one should we use? One with the red or the black and green one? I got Kennedy out here too, man. Which one you do? This one? This one? All right, cool. We're gonna use this one, she said. See if we can catch a fish. And this one actually the one I want to go for, so I'm glad you picked this one. I was catching a lot of bass off of this one at one of the other ponds I was fishing with toward Anahuac. And they was in love with this one, so hopefully we're gonna start with this one. This one actually popped. We're gonna start with this one first, and then we're gonna switch over to the frog whenever it gets dark. So
Fishing got dark.
you can't fish in the dark.
Yeah, we need fish in the dark.
Yeah, we gonna fish. Say what's up to YouTube. Can they see you? Can they see you? Let me see. Let me see. Can they see you? Say hey. Yeah, we got Kennedy out here. Say what's up. Got Kennedy out here with us fishing. Gonna fish this area.
Damn.
Yerp. Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. It's getting kind of late. I did catch 2 for the day, and it was pretty quick. We only had like hour 45 minutes to fish before the sun went down. So just want to say, man, appreciate y'all for tuning in. If y'all like the video, man, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Try to drop a video every week, fishing and catching bass using different baits out here in BAYTOWN, Houston, Anahuac, you know, Southeast Texas area. If y'all enjoyed that, man, drop that like, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you can be notified. Follow me on all social medias, and if you want some of the LFG merch, man, down here in the description, you can click on the link and it'll take you over to my website, LFGFISHING.com. You'll be able to get some of the merch. We got hats, beanies, all that type of stuff, man. So y'all just check that out. We finna wrap it up, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. Just made it home. If you made it this far, man, this has nothing to do with fishing. And let me know that you're interested in watching the video. I'm just here working out, man, in my garage, 205 on a bench. Trying to get these muscles up, you feel what I'm saying? So just wanted to put this at the end of the video. It has nothing to do with fishing. But we're gonna still hit this weights, man. Been doing a nice little workout lately, y'all. Hitting these weights. Sets of 5. was gonna do 5 since I did 7. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, baby. Let's go.
808 BAYTOWN. You got mail.